Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video using Capcut. So here is my video and then I'm going to crop it into a square size. So what you need to do is click on the edit option and then swipe until you find this edit again, edit menu, and then you find this crop option. Click on that and then choose your desired frame size. You can just click on the frame size that you want, or you can also use free size, so you can edit the crop as you like. I'm going to change it into square, so I'm going to swipe until it fits into, I think, the center of the square like this. And then when you're done, just click on the check icon and your video has been cropped like this. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can crop your video using Capcut. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.